Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Once again, my name is Victor Agina, and in this short presentation, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online without capital. Okay, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I was going through the internet and doing some researches, and I saw that there are people out there that probably don't have money to start this whole thing. So they go to Google and keep on searching for how to make money online without capital. Well, the good news is that I'm about to show you exactly how to do that. Alright, so my name is Victor Agina. I'm the founder of Afia Online, a digital marketing and e-commerce company based in Lagos. I run a blog where I've been able to help more than 1,500 Nigerians start up profitable online businesses. Basically, what I do is this: I try out different internet businesses, and when I get successful with it, I come back to my blog to share um, the results and teach people how to do that. All right. So like I said, a lot of people want to start a business but they don't have money. Even though some people will say it's not possible to start a business without money, you need capital at least. Yeah, well, that may be true, but um for the purpose of this video, what I'm about to show you, the only capital that you need would be to get a phone if you don't have a phone, and to buy data. Alright, that's the only thing that I can think of right now that you need capital for to make this thing work. A phone and data. Alright, so in the next let's say 11, 12 minutes, you would have learned exactly how you can make money online without um, a huge startup capital. So you can start small, you can start with this process, and then when you start making money, you can then have money to spend money to scale up or to do whatever it is, whatever business that you want to do. All right. So, is it really possible to make money online without capital? Hmm, big question. The answer is yes, you can. I've seen a lot of people do that, and not even a lot of people. I have done that. Yeah, one, two, three, four businesses that I've done in the past, and I'm still doing that. They didn't require me spending a lot of money to get started. As a matter of fact, you can get started for free. So yes, the answer is it is possible to make money online without capital, but it's only going to happen if you know what you're doing. If you follow who no road, oh, alright, it's only going to happen if you know exactly what you're doing. Alright, and I'm going to show you um, how to go about it. Okay, so um, these are the three steps. Okay, three steps that will help you make money online without capital. All right, there are other ways, other things that you can do, but I'm just going to start with this, and then I'm going to end with something else that's going to blow your mind. All right, so these are the steps. Step number one: learn a skill. All right, somebody might be saying, "Oh, okay, I thought you said I'm not going to pay any money." Yeah, you can learn a skill by actually going to YouTube to download videos. All right. There are different ways to learn those days. You have a lot of quite a handful of resources online. You can learn for free, and most of these free videos can actually help you. For example, when I learned how to design a website, I didn't pay anybody any money to learn how to design a website. I learned how to design a website, a WordPress website, by simply searching for videos on YouTube. All right. I was working a 9 to 5 back then in the bank, so basically what I did was, um, you know, during my free period, I get to download these videos on my hard drive, and when I get back home, I'll sit down and watch and implement. So I just thought about it that I needed to learn how to design a website. I went to YouTube, I downloaded videos, and today I can design WordPress websites without any hitch. Okay, so you learn a skill. How can you learn the skills? Yeah, it's available online. You can learn copywriting skills. You can learn social media marketing. You can learn social media management. You can learn what else? You can learn just about anything. All right. So after you acquire this skill, what is the next thing that you should do? The next thing you should do is to go to freelancing websites to list your skills, all right, to sell yourself. The good thing is that most of these the available freelancing websites, um, most of the freelancing websites, they're actually free to join. All right, so when you go there, you just need to be able to list your profile and sell yourself. Your profile should be catchy, have a good picture, and have a good write up, and explain um what exactly you can do for your client. Okay, so after that is done, or let's say what are the freelance websites that you can use? You can use Fiverr and you can use Upwork. All right, now once your profile is there, because these platforms already have like lots of people, it's very likely that people are going to come, um, you know, chat you up and then discuss their project needs with you. And then, if they decide to work with you, you make money from doing this. All right, so you learn the skills, you list your skill online, and then you get this project, and then you make money because there's a platform. Normally, when you want to do stuff like this, you have to run Facebook ads. Oh, this one you don't need any Facebook ads. Okay, the freelance platforms get you the buyers and lots of them. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you about another way that you can make money online without capital, and this other way is my shoe dropshipping group. All right. Basically, in just 3 steps, let me explain to you how this thing works. You join my dropshipping group. As a member of this group, you have access to high quality but low cost shoes for sale. You can make up to 4K or 5,000 naira profit on these shoes. All right. Step number two, you promote these shoes on social media. It's not enough for you to be in my group. Okay, it's not just enough for you to be in my group. You should be active. You take the pictures that I post in the group, you repost them wherever you find, and people get to see them, people get to buy. You collect money from these people, and then you pay me for the shoe. You also collect money for the delivery of for the customer's delivery. I would send it directly to the customer. All right. So by so doing, you're totally taking your hands off of everything because I'm still the one handling everything for you. All you need to do is to focus on getting the sales. You get the sales, confirm availability of the shoe, and then once the shoe is available, you make payment, you take your profit, and then you earn money. All right. So what you have to promote on different platforms. You have to be constantly thinking of where to promote so that you make more sales. All right. Now, step number three, take the orders and make the profit. When you get an order, like I explained earlier, you collect money from the customer. You take your profit. Very, very, very important. Then you send me money for the shoe plus delivery fee. I package and then send it to your customer. So this thing is very simple. My group has 408 people right now in it, and of course, as soon as it gets to 500, you won't be able to join again, unless maybe I decide to open another group. All right, so um, over 400 people in the group, and these soldiers and friends, let me call them friends, what they do is to repost what I post. Okay, they just take the picture. Some even go as far as editing the picture and removing it from the background just to have their own unique picture. Put it on their own background. Alright. So they go all out for marketing, and then when they make sales, um they send the details, I package it and send to the customer. All right, so I'm going to drop a link to the dropshipping group in the description of this video. So if you're interested in making money online from simply reselling shoes, you might want to take a look at this. Okay, so this is where I'm going to draw the curtains of this presentation. Do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so that whenever I post a new stuff, you'll be the first to see. All right, I wish you a very wonderful day. It's time for me to go to bed.